Frederick County residents had an opportunity to participate in the budget process during a virtual public hearing that County Executive Jan Gardner held on Monday, March 22nd. County Executive Gardner explains her goals for this year's budget.
Preparing and presenting the county budget is one of the most important responsibilities I have as county executive, and it's really one of the most important tasks that we do together. My vision is for Frederick County to be the best place to live, work, and raise a family, and to retire as well. All people should have the opportunity to thrive in Frederick County.
There were two budgets in discussion during the virtual budget public hearing. One is the operating budget, which funds the day-to-day services. The other is the capital budget that provides infrastructure. This contains roads, bridges, and buildings like schools and libraries. Highlights of the preliminary 6-year capital improvement program include 2 new schools in the Oakdale-Linganore area, renovation of Thurmont Elementary School, new libraries in Middletown and Oakdale-Linganore, and expansions on the Old National Pike District Park and Othello Regional Park. If you would like to watch the virtual budget public hearing, visit frederickcountymd.gov/FCG-TV and keep an eye out for the County Executive Gardner's presentation of the final budget on April 15th. More than 1 in 4 Frederick County residents have now received at least 1 dose of vaccine to protect against the COVID-19 virus, and a growing percentage of residents are fully vaccinated. In her weekly COVID update on March 18th, County Executive Jan Gardner discussed the vaccination efforts in Frederick County. As vaccine availability ramps up in the coming weeks, public health experts and community partners are working together to ensure hard-to-reach populations have access to vaccinations. Of particular concern are ethnic and racial groups who historically suffer poor health outcomes, as well as people who live in rural areas. The health department is taking vaccine into the community with mobile clinics and making sure information is available in multiple languages. The Board of Health of Frederick County conducted a virtual meeting on Tuesday, March 23rd. The Board of Health, which in Frederick County is a county council and county executive, led by the county health officer, meets to consider various aspects of local health department policies and programs and a rather broad spectrum of related health issues. This particular meeting was to discuss lifting some restrictions so that Frederick County would align more closely with recent executive orders from Governor Hogan. The change was approved by a vote of 7-1. A point of contact is now required for certain public gatherings of 100 or more persons. The regulation moves restrictions on social gatherings involving 25 or more people. If you would like to watch the meeting, visit frederickcountymd.gov/FCG-TV. Detox services for Frederick County residents battling addictions are now available locally, providing treatment and hope. Frederick County Executive Jan Gardner announced that Mountain Manor at Marcie's Choice will be operated by Maryland Treatment Centers, Incorporated. Maryland Treatment Centers was awarded a $500,000 grant from Frederick County government to establish medically supervised withdrawal management services in Frederick County. Funds were used to expand the level of service and number of patients that could be treated at Mountain Manor's Emmitsburg location, as well as to open a second location in a county-owned building on Marcie's Choice Lane, south of the city of Frederick. In total, 46 beds are now available for detox services in Frederick County. Executive Director Bill Roby had a few words to say about why this new detox facility is much needed.
The disease of substance use does not discriminate, and it goes across all economic, socio, gender groups. And currently, the use of alcohol is on the rise, the use of opiates is on the rise, a lot related to the pandemic. And we feel like the services at that facility will help those people that are in the most need.
Mountain Manor at Marcie's Choice is located over at the county's Work Release Center with its own separate entrance. To find help with an addiction, call the Health Department's Behavioral Health Services Unit at 301-600-1755. Visit health.frederickcountymd.gov/BHS or email bhs@frederickcountymd.gov.